Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to call someone on WhatsApp. Now there's two ways you can call someone. One is from the chat. If you're chatting with someone, go to the chat and then press on this phone icon and then start a voice call. When that prompts up, you just want to press on call. And then you just want to give permission to accessing your microphone and whatnot. The other way is you go to your calls, right? From your calls, you see that call icon with the plus sign, the phone icon with the plus sign. You want to press on that. Once you press on that, you'll have a list of all the people on your contacts that use WhatsApp. So from here, if you find the person you want to call, you just want to press on the phone icon once again and it's gonna go in. So helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.